Hello there. Today I'll show you how to change bank details on eBay. It's very simple things to do. First go to ebay.com and log into your account. After login, you will see an option hi and your name. Then select it. Then go to account settings. In the settings section, you will change your all information. If you want to change your personal information, just select it, and if you want to change your bank details, now then select payments. To change your bank details, you can add a credit or debit card number here, or you can add card and accounts. So in order to add your credit card or debit card name or account, select add cards and accounts, then select checkout, then select continue. Now select your preferred payment method, and then select continue, and then provide your all account information, and then select add. And that's how you can change bank details to eBay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.